Let us solve some examples of limits. So calculate following limits. Limit xy tends to 0, 1, x minus xy plus 3 over x square y plus 5xy minus y cube. So limit xy tends to 0, 1, x minus xy plus 3 over x square y plus 5xy minus y cube. So here we can plug in the value if the denominator does not become 0. So here by plugging x0 and y1, we can see that denominator will not become 0. So x is 0, x is 0, then x is 0, y is 1, x is 0, and y is 1. So the answer is minus 3. Take another one. Limit xy tends to 3 minus 4 root of x square plus y square. Limit xy tends to 3 minus 4 root of x square plus y square. So here also you can just plug in the value. It is 3 square plus minus 4 square, and that is root 25, and so it is 5. We take one more example. Limit xy tends to 0, 0 cosine of x square plus y cube over x plus y plus 1. So this is limit xy tends to 0, 0 cosine of x square plus y cube over x plus y plus 1. You can take limit inside because cosine function is continuous. x0, y0. So this is 0. But denominator is not 0. It is 1. So this is cosine 0. And so that is nothing but 1. You can have like this. Limit xy tends to 0 log 2 e power x minus y. So limit xy tends to 0 log 2 e power x minus y. So this is e power 0 minus log 2. So e power, we can write it is e power log 1 by 2 as minus log 2. And so the answer is 1 by 2. You can also have limit xy tends to 0, 0 e to the power y sin x by x. Limit xy tends to 0, 0, e to the power y sin x by x. You can write this as limit um, here the limit is say we can write y tends to 0 e power y and limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. So that you can have like this, we can write in this way. So this is e power 0 is 1 and this standard limit 1. So we get it is the answer as 1. We can have like next we can write as limit xy tends to say 1 0 x sin y over x square plus 1. So I'm sure you can able to do this yourself. You keep x to be 1, so and y to be 0. So answer is 0. Okay. Now we can rewrite the fraction and we can solve the example. That means we can simplify and then we can solve. So evaluate limit xy tends to 0, 0, x square minus xy over root x minus root y. So limit xy tends to 0, 0, x square minus xy over root x minus root y. This we can write as limit xy tends to 0, 0. We can take x outside, inside x minus y. This is root x minus root y. And limit xy tends to 0, 0. Now factorize this. So root x minus root y, root x plus root y over root x minus root y. Because if you take x and y both 0, the denominator becomes 0. And if you can resolve denominator by factoring and cancelling out, then also we can find the limit. So here you have like x and y both tends to 0. So this is 0, but denominator is 1. So answer is 0. Oh, we can solve some more example in this category. So limit xy tends to 1, 1, x square minus 2xy plus y square over x minus y. Now here, of course, this is x is not equal to y, then only we can write. So limit xy tends to 1, 1, x square minus 2xy plus y square over x minus y So this is limit xy tends to 1, 1. This is nothing but x minus y square. So that 1 x minus y gets cancelled. So you have like this x minus y. And so x tends to 1, y tends to 1. So 1 minus 1. And so this is nothing but 0. We take one more, like limit xy tends to 1, 1. Xy minus y minus 2x plus 2 over x minus 1. So this is equal to limit xy tends to 1, 1. Xy minus y minus 2x plus 2 over x minus 1. We can factorize this. So this y we can take it outside. We have x minus 1. From here we take minus 2 outside. We have x minus 1, x minus. So this is limit xy tends to 1, 1. One bracket x minus 1, another bracket y minus 2, x minus 1. These two cancel. And y is 1. Y tends to 1. So answer is minus 1. Same way, you can have like limit xy tends to 2 minus 4. Xy tends to 2 and minus 4. Y plus 4 over x square y minus xy plus 4x square minus 4x. So if you take x to be 2 and y to be minus 4, this denominator tends to 0. So we need to simplify this. Limit xy tends to 2 minus 4, y plus 4 over x square y minus xy plus 4x square minus 4x. So we can factorize this. We can factorize this like y plus 4, and here we can take x common. What is inside is xy minus y plus 4x minus 4. And here we factorize limit xy tends to 2 minus 4, y plus 4, x. We take y outside, we get x minus 1. 4 outside, we get x minus 1. So this is limit xy tends to 2 minus 4. This is y plus 4. Here x minus 1, y plus 4. And this y plus 4 will be getting cancelled. Remaining part is 1. X is 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. Next, limit xy tends to say 4, 3 root x minus root of y plus 1 over x minus y minus 1. So limit xy tends to 4, 3, root x minus root of y plus 1 over x minus y minus 1. This we can write as limit xy tends to 4, 3. Now if we plug in the value 4 and 3, this will tends to 0. So we need to resolve this. So we can write x minus y plus 1 and factorize this. A square minus b square factor. So this is root x minus root y plus 1. In one bracket, root x minus root y plus 1. In another bracket, root x plus root y plus 1. And these two will be getting cancelled. X is 4 and y is 3. So we have 1 by 2 plus 2, and that is nothing but 1 by 4. We can have, so one more example. Limit xy tends to 1, 1, 2x square minus xy minus y square over x square minus y square. Limit xy tends to 1, 1, 2x square minus xy minus y square over x square minus y square. If I plug in value as 1, 1, denominator becomes 0. So we try to resolve this. Can we write this as x square minus xy plus x square minus y square? Now here we have limit xy tends to 1, 1, this x common, x minus y. Now here one bracket x minus y, another bracket x plus y. This is x minus y, x plus y. This is equal to limit xy tends to 1, 1. In one bracket x minus y, in another bracket x plus x plus y. So that is 2x plus y. And these two cancel. X and y both 1. So answer is 3 by 2. So in next video, we shall solve the examples where we have limit does not exist and or limit exists also, but different method we have to use. For limit does not exist, we use the different path.